Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Listen, is your AutoCAD file suddenly huge, laggy, taking forever to open? Before you blame your computer, your drawing is probably carrying years of hidden junk. Here's how to clean up and shrink your files in under 2 minutes using 4 built-in AutoCAD commands. Once you're ready, let's get started. First, type in AUDIT into the command line. When AutoCAD asks if you want to fix detected errors, type Y for yes. This scans your drawing database and repairs any internal errors or corruptions that may be slowing your file down. Think of it as giving your drawing a health check. Next, we can also try PURGE. Select Purge All. This removes all unused layers, blocks, line types, text styles, dimension styles, and other leftover elements that are bloating your file. A lot of these come from copied details, imported consultation files, or old revisions that no longer serve any purpose. And yes, they do add up fast. Next, let's try removing hidden Regapps. In the command line, type purge, then enter. Then type purge, then R, then asterisk, and then N. Got that so far? Now this is a command that most people skip. This removes hidden registered application data that often gets embedded when importing external drawings. If your file comes from another consultation, this step can make a huge difference. Right, quick pause for our architects and firm owners out there. If your deadlines are piling up and you need support with construction documents, we get it. At MGS Global Group, we're architects helping out other architects. And we've been doing this for 18 years, and our team plugs right into your workflow with on-demand project architects specializing in BIM. And we can start in as little as 24 hours. Check us out at mgsglobalgroup.com. Alright, back to the video. Then let's delete duplicated geometry. For this final command, run OVERKILL. Select your geometry and let AutoCAD remove duplicates or overlapping lines, arcs, and polylines. This invisible duplicate often happens during repetitive edits, imports, and layer cleanups. They make your file heavier without adding anything useful. And hopefully, that's it. AUDIT, Purge, Regap Cleanup, and OVERKILL. Run these 4 commands regularly and your AutoCAD files will stay lighter, faster, and much easier to work with. If your file size drops after trying this, let me know how much you've saved in the comments. And for more quick AutoCAD workflow updates, subscribe for weekly architectural software shortcuts, and check our AutoCAD playlist if you want to learn more about AutoCAD, or our other playlists if you want to learn more about SketchUp, Revit, ArchiCAD. Once again, if you like this video, hit the like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon so you get notified every time we post. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.